Hindi lahat ng tao sa mundo, hindi lahat ng creation ng God the Father ay mamamatay. Ito ang katotohanan na dapat nating tanggapin at maniniwala tayo na mayroon talagang hindi mamatay, magkaroon pa ng physical form, alive, alert, and enthusiastic in doing services towards God and to all our fellow men. Exercising the righteousness, exercising kindness, sharing love and joy and happiness, and sharing these words of God that we are now in our present generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a peculiar people. Ang Diyos, our God, choose us to live until these days. So therefore, we must use our time to have quality works to be done in sharing these words of salvation to all men, that we are under now the new law of the Holy Spirit, basing in Romans chapter 7, Romans chapter 7, verse 6. Ito po ang katotohanan.